Hey, good afternoon, welcome back. This is a quick video to show you my sample spool and how to put the samples from the filament box, the 3D mystery box on there. So basically the files are up on Thingiverse. Basically just print out one top, one bottom. They literally just screw together very easily. So yeah, that's that. But all the filament samples come with these cardboard cores. So it's easier to slip them on, slip them off sort of thing. So basically you take the bottom and then there's a little hole here, and then all the samples have these bent over parts. So basically just line them up with the three good angle, with the three cable ties like so. Push it down, should go on fairly easy. Slot that into the hole and then just screw the other side on. Like so, and then it'll go around and click into place where the cable ties are, just like that. So then you just take the end, if it's long enough put it through the guide, if not feed it back through so it comes out like that. So then you can feed it through the filament holder on the side, and then you can cut the cable ties off. And basically to do it apart, you're taking reverse, line all the three slots up, slot your cable ties through, tie it up, and then just undo it, just like that, and then it just slides off. So yep, that's the sample spool for the EU 3D mystery box. So thanks for watching and take care.